Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and thank you for joining me on this case study. It is a case study, but it's like an experiment as well. I'm basically going to join together a sales funnel and into traffic to and I'm going to see what happens. Now, this is the page here. This is the sales page. No, it's not. Let me try this again. Let me go to the sales page. Okay, let me try this again. So this is the sales page here. This is a very basic sales funnel. It probably shouldn't be called a sales funnel because it's literally only 2 pages. So it's not very complicated. And I just saw this online and I thought I would try it. I am kind of familiar with this affiliate marketer's work. And I have bought some of these products in the past, and I thought I would do this video just to show you. It's really it's to show you an example of how you're supposed to set this sales funnel up, and how to send traffic to it, and how to set up emails. And it's really for educational purposes because I can't guarantee any income claims. I can't make any income claims because I don't know your situation. I don't know what kind of traffic you're going to use. And there's too many variables to take into consideration. But what I can do is I can actually set everything up. And if you want to follow the instructions that I've laid out, then why not see what happens? Now, this is very simple. It's basically 2 pages. This one here is a sales funnel, and a sales funnel. It's only 2 pages. This is a sales page that you are going to be promoting. Now, what will happen is you'll promote this page and people will see this, and they will click this button here to sign up for Leadsleap. I'm going to have to change this link to Leadsleap. It might actually already be set up for Leadsleap. It is. Because we're using Leadsleap to host this funnel, that's why we need to set up an account with them. So I'll talk about that in a minute. This is the first income stream is Leadsleap. The second one is Traffic Blaster Pro. And you can use Traffic Blaster Pro to promote this particular page, and then when people join onto you, you will make commissions. So you will potentially make commissions with Leadsleap, potentially make commissions with Traffic Blaster Pro, ClickFunnels, and the Click Engine. And yeah, and then you just enter your email address in here, and basically what will happen is if you set this up correctly, people will do this. They'll put in their email address and they'll click here to say, yeah, I want a funnel like this one, let's do this. So I'm going to set this up and I'm going to show you exactly how I do this step by step. And it is going to cost $4.95 for the actual share codes for it, but I want to talk to you about them as well, because when you buy the this is the email you receive from them. This is the email you receive when you purchase the product, and it's just too much information, Danielson. It's too much. I've had a look through it, and obviously I've blurred out the codes that you need, but it's too much information. And what I want to try and do with this case study is not to give you too much information and to show you step by step what you actually need to do to set this up, because there are it is quite distracting. So that's kind of what I want to try and do. I want to try and make it as linear as possible and unpack everything for you. Now, see these sales figures, for example. You're not going to make that straight away, and so you need to be realistic about it. This is what's going to happen over a period of time. If you promote it consistently for 6 or 7 months, there's no reason why you can't make sales like this. These are actually sales from Leadsleap. Leadsleap hosts the sales funnel. and it's $27 a month. Now I noticed from Leadsleap, because this is the actual name of the company here. This is the name of the company, Ease Tech Limited. That's the name of the company that you will pay to host the funnel, and this is the company that will pay you eventually. Because I mean, this is $69, $32. These are all. I mean, I suppose there's no dates on these, so potentially this could be. It would be more realistic if you made this every month, and then that would equate to 3 or 4 active participants. Because this is a recurring income stream. So what happens is, well, it says it here actually, recurring commissions. What actually happens is somebody joins Leadsleap. Let me show you Leadsleap. Somebody joins it and they use this software to host this funnel, and they pay $27 a month for that, and you receive some of the money. This is Leadsleep here. So you receive some of the money from your affiliates when you promote this product. Other people are going to join under you, and every month that they stay a subscriber, you will get a portion of that money. And that's what these figures relate to. So to make it more realistic, I'm explaining to you what these figures represent and how realistic that is for a newbie or for somebody that doesn't know what Leadsleep is. This is realistic after 6 or 7 months, but not straight away, because this represents 3 or 4, maybe 3 or 4 active subscribers, and that's really what the target that you want to get to. Once you've got to that target, you will actually get commissions from Traffic Blaster and ClickFunnels and the Click Engine. So that's the first page here, and the second page will be the thank you page. Let me go to that. That's the thank you page here. So once you sign up for it, you will be taken to, let me just explain this to you again. When you sign this box, when you fill out this box here, you will be taken to this box here. When you sign up for this, you will be taken to the thank you page. This is the thank you page. And this explains the actual funnel and all the different commissions and stuff. Again, it's very busy. There's a lot going on with this. It can be very confusing. If I was you, I would ignore it, and I would just go in to get instant access and get the email, which is this one here, for the codes. These are the 3 codes that you need. You can actually ignore everything else. You just need the landing page and the thank you page. These 2 codes here is all you need. The general landing page, I actually wouldn't bother with that as well. It's too distracting. The general landing page is if you want to promote your own product. And again, plug it into Leadsleap, you can see it for yourself, but it's too distracting and you don't want people getting distracted. You want them to be focused, and you want them to set the funnel up and not get confused by anything. Hopefully I'm explaining this in a manner that you can understand. If I'm explaining it and it's confusing, then please let me know in the comments under this video, and I'll actually redo the video so that it's easier to understand. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up this sales funnel. And again, when I say sales funnel, it's literally only 2 pages. You get all different kinds of sales funnels. This is only 2 pages. This page here and the thank you page. So this is the page that you will be promoting, and this is, let me just close this box here, and this is the thank you page here. So it's just 2 pages, and basically you're going to pay $4.95 for these 2 pages, and the link for that is under the video. But I'm going to, as an experiment, I'm going to set this up now. So the first step, and under this video I will give you step-by-step instructions just to make it clearer exactly what I'm doing. The first step would be to join Leadsleap if you haven't done so already, and there is a link under this video. The next step is to open an account with Warrior Plus, because Warrior Plus is where you're going to get your affiliate links for the different offers, and also it's where you're actually going to get paid in some cases as well. Now, if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, just Google Warrior Plus, click on the link and sign up for an account. That would be the second step. So the first step is to sign up for Leadsleap. The second step is to sign up for Warrior Plus. Now what you want to do is you want to go to so once you get to this page, there's a link under this video that will take you to this page here, and you fill out this form. Yes, please, I want a funnel like this one, and then it will take you to this page here. The thank you page. This actually explains everything, how this whole thing works, and in a bit more detail. I'm going to show you how to set this up, and you will be able to. Now my link's already shown up because I've already applied for it, but you may come to this page and it may ask you to apply for your link. So just click on that button to apply for your link, and your link should show up here. You should definitely highlight this and copy it into a notepad here. Copy and paste it into a notepad. So that's the only two things I want you to do in today's video, and in the next video I'll explain more how to set this up, because there's lots of different steps to set this up. I don't want this video to go on longer than necessary, because I don't want to complicate the situation. I don't want to make it too complicated. It's very easy to set this up. It's very easy to do. So I want to try not to make it too complicated for you. It's literally only 2 pages that you're plugging into Leadsleap, and you're changing a couple of affiliate links and sending traffic to it. So the first task today is join Leadsleap and apply for your affiliate link. You will go to this page here, and let me just, is this the first page, or is it, no, this is, go to this page here. There's a link under the video. You don't need to join anything else. You don't need to do anything else. I'll explain all that in other videos. So in the second video, I'll explain how to plug these pages into Leadsleap and how to set them up. Now this training course, this doesn't actually come with email messages. This is only the 2 pages, so when you buy the product it doesn't come with any messages, but I'm going to give you some messages if you join under my affiliate link, and I'll give you a code that you can use in Leadsleap to set everything up. So as I said before, not to make this too complicated, all I want you to do today is join Leadsleap and get your affiliate link and put the information in a notepad. So you've got your Warrior Plus link, and then you've got your Leadsleap link here. Let me show you where Leadsleap link is, because it is very easy to get that. If you go to your the home page, let me just go to dashboard. So go to the navigation pane here, click on affiliate links and tools at your affiliate sections here. Just scroll down till you see it and click on affiliate link and tools, and you will see the link here, the home page one. So just highlight this and copy this. Right, and I'm going to put that in my notepad. You are going to need to do this because you are going to need the links for the other programs, and I will explain that in the next video. So let me just put in here main program. Write something that you understand what this link means so you don't get confused. Save it on your desktop, and that's all you need to do for today's video. Just get these 2 links and I'll join you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you look for the thumbnail that says part 2, it should be on the right hand side or the left, I don't know. It should say part 2 on it. Just click on it and go to the next set of training. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.